Hey, let me show you how you can fix your Bluetooth issue on a Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you cannot connect device, or for example, if you have unstable connection. So first of all, I will actually start from resetting the network settings. So you'll have to go into settings, then move into general management. Now you will have to open reset, and here just simply perform reset of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. If it doesn't work, then you can simply try to perform reset of your device. So it actually depends on your device, but in the most cases, if you have earbuds, you have to just input your device inside the case and then click and hold pairing button to actually get this indicator blinks red. So you have to just find method for your device and also try to do this. If it is still not working, then you can try to disable power saving mode, because some power saving settings can actually limit Bluetooth functionality. So open settings, move into battery, and be sure that you switch off this power saving mode. You can also try another Bluetooth device, so we can test your phone with a different Bluetooth device to determine if the issue is with your S25 or with the specific device. Then you can also go into software and basically check if your software is up to date. So we have to go right here, check for the software update, and check if you are running for the latest one. You can also try to switch off airplane mode, just like this. So basically the airplane mode disables Bluetooth. So just simply swipe down, like in my case, and check this. You can also ensure the device is discoverable. So you have to make sure that you enter for the pairing mode on your headphones, earbuds, or speaker. You can also try to simply forget and repair your device if you don't have any connection issue, and you can easily connect your device. Then go to the settings and simply try to unpair and connect one more time. You can also try to restart your S25 by using power key and volume down button combination. You have to click and hold them at the same time. And when you get this power off logo, you will have to keep holding until the screen goes black. Or you can try the simple method. You can toggle Bluetooth off and on. And after a few seconds, turn it back on. And tell me if it works. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.